Are you not entertained? Yeah, it's a Jeep Gladiator. You get it, right? Hey, JW, we gave Haas your number. Hopefully they give you a ring. This week, I think it's Jeep Week. Julia, talk to us about upgrading your steering system.
How's it going, guys? My name is Giulia Levenduski. I'm here in the beautiful state of Virginia, and today we're going to go over some quick installs and upgrades to my 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Today I'll be using the TerraFlex HD tie rod end and drag link kit that I purchased from Extreme Terrain, and I'll show you the reason why I'm going to be replacing this and upgrading this steering system. So as you can see, I got a ripped ball joint down here. This one's dry rotted. The other side is still in good condition, so I'm not too worried about that. Regardless, I'll be replacing everything. I also upgraded the steering stabilizer to a dual steering stabilizer, which I'll be taking off first so I can get to everything else. Remove the nuts up top and bottom. Same goes for the other side. Sprayed with PP Blaster. It's been on for a hot minute, so I'm going to get this off and I'll show you guys what to do next. Now that we have everything off, it's time to measure the old ones and then put the new ones together. So now I have almost everything installed. Last thing I need to do is go ahead and grease the ball joints and then reinstall the original stabilizer and just put it back together. Everything is now installed and looks really, really nice. I ran out of daylight the day before, so I had to come back and continue it, but everything is looking really nice. The cool thing about this kit is that, one, it's relatively inexpensive for this kind of upgrade, at least in my opinion. The other thing is that it comes with adjustable ball joints and the tool to adjust them, which is really nice. And it also comes with a steering stabilizer relocation kit. All you got to do for that is you unhook the track bar. It comes with all the hardware for you to do that, and then it comes with this really nice aluminum clamp. I also upgraded the sway bar end links. These are quick disconnect ones. They're relatively inexpensive as well, but aside from that, here's the end product. So in closing, I don't think this install was too hard. In total, I think it took about 6 hours, but granted, everything was completely rusted together, so that didn't help at all. Aside from that, it wasn't too horrible. Just make sure when you do an install like this, you get everything aligned. You don't want to mess up your tires. Aside from that, thank you for watching, and hope to see you guys again.
Thank you so much. Now, what about you? Do you have a clip you want to share with us? A tip, a trick? Just use this social address. Holler at us anytime. We'd love that. And until next time, I'm Carr. This is Carr Parts. Keep building.